much more higher quality, not traffic and leads, but that's where you really. And plus, I want to start building that. I'm super close. I'm like maybe less than 1,000 hours, give or take, away from getting revenue stream from YouTube for the creator program. So I definitely want to unlock that because let's be honest, TikTok and Instagram ain't paying anything for your content. So if I'm going to be posting a lot of content continuously, then I want to make sure that we get rewarded for it. So that's why we're probably going to go a little bit deeper into YouTube. Because you'll get higher quality traffic and leads from them as well too. So right now, let me show you guys. We're gonna upload a new course right now for the members inside the community, because they be getting free gifts every single day, and I love that. So inside the community, circles back up, very nice. Let's get this. We're gonna add. Oh wait, this is the make course. We need to go to the Notion course. And in the Notion course here, we're going to add a new section, Notion templates, and then add a new lesson. And this one is going to be the client list template. Let's see, client Notion templates, probably a better name for it. Client management template. I like that. That sounds fancy. Client management template. And then here, then edit, nice, and then we're gonna upload the video. The video is actually pretty dope. I actually go into a lot of extra special bonuses in the Notion list there. And then let's get this template up. Here we're going to view the site, make sure this is it. Yep, and then it's gonna say click here to access the Notion templates. Make this an H2, paste, done. Cool, so we got the video, we got that. That is now uploading. Great, so everyone in the community, this will be done by the end of the live stream. You guys are gonna get the Notion template from there, so that's awesome. I'm also working on 2 other templates. I'm working on a template for subscriptions, both in ClickUp and in Notion, because not everyone has ClickUp. So I'm going to be doing a subscription tracker inside of Notion as well too, so you guys can keep track of that. Now let's get down to business right now. So here's the funnel, and I think I have the list here, basically what we're going to be working on here. So the goal right now is I want more leads to my business. If you're inside the community, I keep referencing, let's go to, what's it called? Let's go AI community. Nice. Sarah, guess what, Sarah? The Notion template for clients is currently being uploaded right now. So the video is uploaded, the template is created, so, and then this is in a new part in the Notion course. At the very bottom, if we go edit, there's the new Notion template. And then I'm also going to add another Notion template for a subscription tracker, so that everyone can keep track of all their subscriptions. That way, some people, if you have ClickUp, great. I recommend ClickUp because it will actually sync with your calendar, but not everyone has ClickUp, so I'm going to do a subscription tracker for Notion, which is going to be great because I had to cancel I had to add a new subscription, and it's like Indiana Jones. I'm like, I can't add this new subscription unless I take some other subscriptions away. So it made it very easy to add one and then remove, so that it's all kind of saved. So looking forward to that. So that's in the Notion course. And then, by the way, like, yeah, it's like, I know every day is like Christmas. Is like Tuesday we had a lot of free goodies yesterday. Actually, no, it's Tuesday. We had a lot of free goodies. And then here, so AI business road to 100K per month. This is exactly what I want here. All right, so my action plan for, as I've said, my goal is to basically build an automated system that brings in clients on autopilot to the AI community, not just live streams. That way I don't have to rely on live streams for sales fundamentally. So the way it's going to work is basically, let's go to the AI community, because basically it's also following, you guys know about propane. Let's go to that post just because it's easy to reference. Yep, and then let's just copy this. So that way we can have this in our Notion file for the action plan. Nice. Because that's the goal. The goal is to systematically, on autopilot, without having to do sales call, enroll people into your program or into your business, regardless of what you sell fundamentally. That's what we're going to build here. So we have the ad campaign, which I'm going to do later. We're going to focus on today building the webinar funnel. And then later we'll work on the 3-day challenge probably in another session. So my goal today is just to get the webinar funnel up and running so that I can start sending traffic to it. They can watch the webinar, and then I can start pitching probably the 3-day challenge I think I'm going to do there. And then from the 3-day challenge, that would upsell a 6-week program. And then from the 6-week program, it will, once that's completed, then that sells people into the community. This eventually all of this is going to run on autopilot, which is super nice, so that once it's dialed in, it's going to take about 90 days to get dialed in, then it's just going to enroll people on autopilot every single week, and all I have to do is spend money on ads, and I don't have to create content. Isn't that nice? That's the real hack. A lot of people are like, how do I create more content? It's like, nah, how do you build a funnel that if you run ads you could get leads and sales every single week for your business on autopilot, so you don't have to create content? Isn't that nice? So let's now look at, so this is my whole plan here. So the goal, I think we last left off, was the webinar funnel here. So let's see, webinar sign up page. This is one sign up page. I kind of want another one here, because this one is a little too much for a webinar page. Like we're going to delete this. That's from another competitor, but his pages are like a little too much. I'm actually going to be following, which was actually great that we met with Joseph today. So I want this as my funnel. So let me bring this here. This is a very simple template. And then if you guys are in the community too, my goal also is to make this a template in Leadpages so that you guys could download this template and build basically a webinar funnel for your business so that you could use get leads and sales on autopilot. Basically, that's going to be the main thing. So this is, and look how simple it is: testimonials, who it is, click the button, show you the formula, get the system, and then we have the thank you page, which basically is the webinar right here, and I'm going to record the webinar down below or later. And then they have an application, but this is just going to go to sign up for the 3-day challenge fundamentally. That's all this does. The webinar just sells, gets the email, nurtures, and sells a $97 3-day challenge. That's all this does. Betsy, good to see you. Good to see everyone. So with it, oops, that looks done with Notion in the template. So that is there. Let's just take a look at it. Welcome. This is a Notion template that you can use to manage all your clients. Excellent. So let's promote this into the community. AI community. That way everyone gets a free gift today. Every day is Christmas in the community. And then Saturday is going to be fun too. Saturday, I think we're going to focus on an AI content system, how to create 30 days of content in 2 hours. That's going to be very interesting. So look forward to that. Surprisingly, it's very interesting. You guys want that more than the 1-day funnel with mini offers is like next. The book is great, and some people still want to go and learn automations as well too. So it's very interesting because I think everyone's still, but here's the hack too. The system that I'm building right now, you don't have to create content. That's the other game too. Voted on number 3 for the launch mini funnels with offer, 1-day funnel. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. It's like a 1-day funnel where it's basically the template for the webinar, the template for the landing page, and then the ads, so that you could run ads to a landing page, to a webinar, to then pitch and sell whatever you want. That's fundamentally it here. So with that, let's see here. Making sure everything's organized. Okay, cool. So that's going to be for Saturday. Looking forward to that. Content. Everyone wants to create content. Totally awesome. You never know what people want to learn. Is anyone in the comment? No, no one commented too. You guys could throw stuff in the comment too. Tell the stuff you want to learn. Notion, client, management, templates. Let me, let's see, Notion, template, so that you guys, let's see. That's a CRM template. I want one just for client, just to manage your clients. I'm just looking for some copywriting. It provides the tools for interaction with leads and clients. Okay, cool. The client management template provides tools for tracking interactions with clients and leads, with features for data recording, contact history, opportunity. We don't need this. Cool. So then watch here. Get the templates and training video here. And then this is going to go into the community. Notion AI template. Ooh, looks fancy. And then here we got to add a cool GIF. Clients. What does that come up with? Team automation. That actually looks cool. This is more business. Coffee. Coffee is life. That's so random. These are too much. It's like, it's more like Christmas. Get gifts. You know, it's always the important thing, basically. It's like the liquid gold. You guys get gifts. So, Christmas. You get a gift, and you get a gift. Ooh, nice. If you know what movie this is from, Digital Gold. We're getting a lot of cool templates in here too. I really want to build out more Notion templates for you guys as well too. But you don't need that many too. Maybe a CRM one. The subscription tracker is going to be great as well too. I think it's going to crash. I think it's going to crash. We shall see. That's fine. Publish. Don't crash. Copy. Going to publish. Notion was down today, and I think is Circle. Actually, not Notion. Circle community down. Yeah, they're still. Oh, all systems operational. Nice. So do the thing. Okay, we'll just leave this so it does the thing. That will get posted pretty soon. And then today's office hour sessions is already uploaded in the community as well too, which is super nice. Okay, so this is done. We don't have to worry about this. That's uploaded. Okay, so I need the webinar masterclass here, basically. That's basically what we're going to build. How to work 20 hours within W with Pro, even if you're not tech savvy. I like that for the webinar. Cool. So let's go to lead pages. And the first thing I'm going to do right now is just copy this template fundamentally. Circle, post. Circle's having a bad day today. That's okay. Okay, so I need the that's the 3-day challenge. Let's duplicate this. This is going to be a new tab called funnel. I don't need the lead magnet stuff, so we could get rid of this guy. Remove 3-day challenge. We're just going to actually put you in this. Call you the funnel. And we're going to duplicate you and call you 0.0, which is the opt-in page, webinar master class. opt in. It's a webinar. People call it a masterclass. It really doesn't matter. What are we making today? We're building funnel. We're building a webinar funnel so that I can run ads and get leads on autopilot for the business. Is basically what we're, and then we're going to use AI along the way, especially for the copywriting too. So I'm going to quickly create or recreate this page. And then I'm even going to watch that webinar too, because this is a dude that's making over $100,000 a month. Actually, no, he's making $500,000 a month. And so his funnels are very, very good, which is nice. So he does a lot of testing with it. Okay, so what I need to do is basically recreate something like this. So you guys are going to watch it. I think, I know, not the most glamorous thing, but it's like me showing you guys new shiny object of like an AI tool is not going to help you fundamentally, but me showing you how to actually build a funnel so that you guys can get leads and sales, that's way more valuable. Okay, cool. So okay, so we just need to add another column. And the nice thing is that let's do an image here. Here we're just going to keep this one here, and we're going to use lead pages for this whole process. And I'm going to actually template this too, which is going to be super nice, because I also want you guys circles down. I know it's not even letting me post the post. Circle is, I've never had circle go down, so it's like someone's trying to attack circle. I'm just kidding. I don't know. It just happens. They're like, we can't have you have private communities. We got to throw you on the social media profiles that don't help you in any shape, way, or form. People are leveling up too fast in these private communities. So they can't stop us. It's like, you guys are sharing too much uncensored. We can't censor you there. We can't do any violations because you said words there. You're like, can't stop us. Can't stop us. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. Please don't. TikTok, don't take me down. Okay, so we're just going to build this out. So this is more a 5 to a 4. And then this is going to be here. And then this is going to be left-hand side. Okay, and then this is going to be 10, 9. I like that's pretty good for the font. And then we could duplicate this. And then without, italicize, underline. Nice. And then here, no violations. I know, it's like, huh. Yes, show me the freedom formula, the AI, smart AI system, something, AI system, something, the freedom formula. Hey, for this webinar, I want you to actually build the landing page for the webinar for me. Let me see. It's a lead magnet, 3-day challenge, 7 AI tools to scale from 50 to 5 without having to hire a team. That's for the lead magnet, but I need to go to this page. Let's go to the conversation. Where's this ChatGPT conversation? Nice. Hey, ChatGPT conversation that I've been having. I want you to, I'm going to upload this. And let's see, this has it. Okay, cool. I want you to write the copy for the webinar funnel. And then I also want you to match the style of the attached funnel. Just use that for reference. It's a totally different industry, so don't, it's not relevant, but it's just a template that I want to use as a structure. But I want you to rewrite the copywriting specifically for my webinar to basically sell the 3-day training. So I want you to write the copy and then what they're going to learn in this free masterclass. And then I want you to also name it as, they're calling it a freedom formula. I want you to come up with some type of similar naming convention for my whatever methodology or framework for the AI, specifically for my ideal clients. Okay. Make sure it matches and resonates with my ideal client and the pain points they struggle with. And this is also specifically, actually that's cool. That's gonna, they struggle with. 7 tools, 7 growths, 3 days. Damn, that's actually the 773 challenge. But that's a lot of like 7 tools and 7 growths. It's like, it would be like the one, because that's the big thing too, is like not to overwhelm them with a bunch of tools. Like even I was talking with Coach Jaja, and she's like, don't even teach them how to build custom GPTs on the 3-day challenge, because like that is like still way too advanced. No, it's not advanced, but it's like it's a little overwhelming, because that's the biggest thing, is like I just have to teach you one tool, just ChatGPT, honestly, is like, and then ChatGPT, which is basically like how to use it for like copywriting irresistible offers, because that's basically what it's doing right now. The smart AI system that's helped coaches, freelancers, and service providers escape burnout, land better clients, and build 6-figure AI-powered businesses without working 12-hour days. Huh. That has helped. Escape burnout, land better clients, close and build 6-figure AI-powered businesses. Yeah, that actually works without working 12-hour days. Without coding, hiring a team, or posting on social media 24/7. Nice. That's pretty. The smart systems formula. I need a better name for that. Good to see you both, Sarah and Oksana. So, give me 5 variations of better headlines to compare. I like where you're going. Without coding, without hiring a team, or posting on social media 24/7. That's one of the biggest things. Without living on social media, hoping on referrals, or needing a large following. It's not bad. How do I get the AI coach prompt scripts? All these prompts, especially this custom GPT, it's all within how to scale without staff. Yeah, that's one of the biggest things. Graham's good. Yeah, we looked at his mom's website. I remember. It launched the Advocate Alley. Congratulations. It's kind of funny. It's like we're actually building a webinar funnel too. So it's like, congrats. I couldn't sleep last night. Got on TikTok and you guys were chatting on here in the middle of the night. I know I was a late night stream because I was like, I missed my 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. I was helping a friend. And so we were like late night, and I got so many gifts from Preston. Preston hopped on and like gifted so much goodness. I kind of gave him a huge shout out. So it was 2 a.m. I was like, who's going to be up at this time? And so like, that was real funny. The smart systems formula that helps us coach freelancers and online entrepreneurs work 20 hours less and scale to 20 to 50. Well, not 20 to 50, but there's more. Actually, this would be 5 to 10K months using AI. That's better. That's bold. Stuck doing 10 hours or less. They are used by 100 entrepreneurs. They approve systems so 50 hours a week. How we scale? I like that one better, honestly. AI autopilot challenge. Let's see. I like this one right here. Here. The smart AI system formula. Give me 10 different names for this. Give me 10 better names for the smart systems formula. The AI Freedom Framework. Ooh, I like that. The AI Freedom Framework emphasizes automation and lifestyle. Technically, yes. Scalable system, six-figure AI engine. Ooh, the six-figure AI engine. The six-figure AI engine. The AI profit path, CEO, freedom, effortless ops. I like. It's either the six-figure AI engine, or the AI freedom framework, time-rich business method, the six-figure, right? The six-figure AI engine. Because it's basically, if you guys really want to nerd out about it, it's exactly what they're going to go through anyways. The six-figure AI engine that helps coaches, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Can we simplify this in just one avatar? Give me just one main avatar, which is the online business coach. For coaches, marketing, healthcare, their current income's 3 to 10K. One-on-one coaches prior, like trading your time for money, stuck at $10 an hour tasks, which they have. You want predictable clients. You want to go from one-on-one to one-to-many group offers, a clear path to 20 to 50K months without hiring a big team. That's doable, technically. This avatar has money, feels the pain deeply, and will invest if you show them how to get more. Let's actually copy all of this. This is my main avatar. So let's move this over here. And I'm just going to put this, that's the KPIs. Want the KPIs. Sorry, it's so small. If you guys were watching on YouTube, it looks a lot better. The six-figure freedom formula. I like that. So let's do, I don't need any of this. Actually, we could just put it here. Doesn't really matter. Main avatar. Cool. So, online business coach. Basically, that's it. That's like, that helps coach. What does client on demands do? Client on demands. How do they position themselves? We help entrepreneurs, coaches, and service providers attract high-paying clients consistently with our proven step-by-step system. I kind of like that too. That helps entrepreneurs, coaches, and service providers work 20 hours less and scale to 20 to 50K months using AI. Let's keep it simple. Just 10 to 20. 10 to 20K months. Because that scale to 10 to 20K months. Because it's like you're already making that from there. Because I don't want people making less than 10K a month. Fundamentally, it's like, it's not that making less 10K a month, but it's like they're just starting off. Without living on social media, hoping for referrals, or needing a large following, without tech overwhelm, without, what was the without stuff that they said here? Without here's the landing page. Okay. Without coding, I don't think people care about coding. That's not a thing. So without posting on social media, hiring a tech team, or give me something, replace the coding part. Replace the coding and give me another, without a large following, hoping for referrals. No, without coding, give me another pain point for this subtitle, and then we're going to rip this through on how it likes it. Without wasting hours on content. Yeah. Without juggling 10 tools. Yeah, because without juggling, there's not that many tools. Without juggling 10 tools, hiring a tech team, or posting on social. Yeah, it's usually the tool overwhelm that's like the biggest thing, that without juggling 10 plus tools, hiring a team, or posting on social media 24/7. I like that. 4 and 5. And then free order for okay, so we need something for the free training for 0 hires, because technically this will run on autopilot. So what was the caption before? For free training for smart entrepreneurs who want to stop drowning in busy work and start scaling smarter with AI. I like that. That's good there. Free training for smart entrepreneurs who want to stop drowning in busy work. Let's do this as like, that needs to just be spaced out a little more. Let's see this. Free training for smart entrepreneurs who want to stop drowning in busy work and start scaling smarter with AI. The 6-figure AI engine that helps coaches, freelancers, and online entrepreneurs. That helps so I want solopreneurs, not online entrepreneurs. I want solopreneurs, because online entrepreneur is so vague. Work 20 hours less and scale to 10 to 20K months using AI. Below plus symbol. Without juggling 10 tools, hiring a tech team, or you're right, without hiring a massive team, without hiring a team, or posting on social media 24/7. Okay, so then, yes, show me the... I could test it, because I could technically test this. Oops. Let's see. Let's go here. Grammarly, get out of the way. Okay, here. Yes, show me the 6-figure AI engine. Ooh, that sounds enticing. I'm going to leave the button green for money. I like that. Cool. Let's save and publish this so far, and then we're going to, let's see, why? Then we need to do a little here. Watch the master class. There, we don't want this scraped by Google. Cool. Watch the masterclass, save. And then we're also put this on the link in bio. Are you a software engineer? Nope. Not in any shape, way, or form. So this is freedom, paper, AI masterclass. Simple. Publish. Good questions. Okay, and then upgrade now. What? The standard plan allows you to publish only 5. Don't delete it though. I shouldn't have. Hold on. Lead pages. Don't make me upgrade right now. I technically do need to, but can't. Oh, we have a lot of things that are published. Okay, paid ads. Don't need this. Unpublish. I'll upgrade, but just later. I don't need right now. Free lead my unpublish. Let's unpublish this. Pop-up offer. Don't need this. Unpublish. Okay, all these are drafts, which is fine. You can see I have a lot of drafts. Just kind of make sure there's nothing else. Okay, so that means draft. So now I only want the funnel. AI community, that's for text stuff, so we can remove this one, because that's like admin stuff. Okay, so now I should be able to publish. So publish. We're just going to call this AI Masterclass. That way I can also see it on SEO too. Very nice. Copy, paste. Ooh, very nice. Copywriting. That's great. Okay, so then We can add an image later. I'm not too worried about that. And let's do some testimonials. I'm going to make this very easy and just do biggest amount, da da da. I think we'll do. I have some. Yeah, let's just do this. Okay, so give me a section here. Quickly, all sections. Because we're also going to see how well. Blank. I just need 3 testimonials here. Cool. Duplicate this. Here. 126. So here's going to say 126. Solopreneurs, online professionals, health professionals, 126 business owners. Is there urgency? Not so much urgency from this, because this is just more of like, it's like an evergreen webinar. So 126 entrepreneurs started with this free master class to eventually create results like these. All right, 26 plus. Cool, cool, cool. We have a lot of coaches in the DMs. Hi, coaches in the DMs. If you want to learn how to make money online, follow, copy. This is the secret of adding a webinar funnel. It is very, very important. It's more valuable than me trying to teach you anything, any AI tool, honestly. Let's just take the color. And then if you're inside the community, you're going to get this whole page as a template. So that you guys can just copy paste, and then you could just fill in the blank fundamentally with your copy, because then I'll also probably create a custom GPT. Simple. Okay, so this is going to be centered. This is going to be started with this masterclass. Needs to be underlined. No, regular underline. Cool. Okay, and then I think I'll do just images, because I found videos. It's like, I could do the videos technically. Like I could just put these testimonials. Like there's Monica.
I highly recommend using Jonathan and some of his services or any of his membership. Not only have I saved a lot of time as a business owner and as a mom, but he also helps you with strategizing how to make your life easier. It's an absolute worth it case. I highly recommend.
Beautiful.
Absolutely. If you have not seen anything from Jonathan yet, please check out everything else. If you ask any questions or anything else and you hear what he has to say,
This is Wistia. Wistia is doing the video hosting.
It's an absolute pleasure coming from a guy that's been doing this for 20 years and showing me the things I've been missing out or doing different things and setting me on the right path. So
Good. Should I add Coach Jaja?
Hi, my name is Coach Jaja, and I have literally just had the most amazing one-on-one experience with Jonathan. He listened to everything after this call. I know I'm gonna. If you want,
I think, yeah. And then I have some other one. Okay, let's do those 3. So, because because the guy is doing picture like for testimonials, and it's like, nah. So let's just go all out with video right here. So the platform I'm using for video hosting is Wistia. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Because if you want to embed video on your website, the worst thing that you could do is embed a YouTube video fundamentally, because they're just going to get recommended their YouTube videos and distractions, so that they're going to click off. And Wistia is completely free for like 10 videos, and the video links don't matter. Like I'm going to use one for the webinar and for that. So I want Coach Jaja, I want Richard, and then I want Monica. Perfect. Actually, those are actually the most played, actually, which is actually, and you get analytics, like you can actually see how many people have been playing with it. What's up, Danny? Good to see ya. We building a funnel. Wait, did I get everyone? I got Coach Jaja. Let's embed, copy, and then here, let's go to my funnel. Here we're just going to embed a piece of code, HTML, edit. Actually, let me duplicate, and then duplicate again, and then edit, paste, save. Okay, so there's one. Then let's get Monica. So Monica. Here's Monica. Solid testimonial. Cool. She went from baker to AI consultant in like less than 60 days. Like, that's wild. You can also turn off suggestion. Yeah, it's trust, like these things, the Wistia makes all the difference. Because even you're going to use it for the webinar side as well too. For the actual video. Then I want Richard. Shout out to Richard. Okay, we'll test this out and take a look at this. Save. Long time. Time differences. Like, I know the time. Basically, the time is like a whole different thing. Like time zones, like because we global. 5 and 5. Post that there. Okay, cool. Let's update this. And let's see how it looks. Building the page without having to write a single line of code. Cool. We got our copywriting. I'm going to add something right there. And then we got our 3 testimonials. 126 entrepreneurs started with this free masterclass to eventually create results like this.
Hi, my name is Coach Jaja, and I have
And this.
Highly recommend using Jonathan and some of his services for
And this.
Absolutely. If you have not seen anything from Jonathan yet, please check out everything else. If you
Nice. Very cool. Okay, so we got the testimonials, and then now we just need one last section, which is the About Me page. So that's going to be like this here. And then, shoot, we can run traffic to this today, actually. Oh, but I got to record the webinar. That would probably be another section here. So let's get a picture of John. Juan. ¿Dónde está Juan? The suit or that suit? What do you guys think? The suit or the headshot? Oh, shoot. Oops. Hope I didn't lose anything. Why not using Go High Level? Because Go High Level is for marketing agencies that want to tinker with it. Go High Level is a nightmare, honestly. It is the bane of my existence. I couldn't definitely do this. The suit is the six-figure vibes. That is brilliant. So let's do suit. I think I have John. If I search Jonathan here. I mean, you could use Go High Level for all of this. It's just like use whatever tools that you are comfortable with. Insert. Oh, fancy. That was like from so long ago, back when I was skinny. Look how small that double chin is. Now my double chin is fat. From late night pizzas, like too many pizzas. So let's round that off. Orange crepe, like, yep, cool. And then, okay, cool. Let's do a little about. Oh, where do I have the About Me? Let's update this. I have an About Me, but somewhere in, where do we have this? Where do I have a bio page? Let me see if maybe, I doubt it, because it's been so long since I've written a bio about me. Would that be in any of these? Webinar. Let's see, maybe this one. I may have ChatGPT write me a new one. Challenge, business coaching, marketing, digital marketing course. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Hello. I've done this before. Deja vu. Yeah, let's take this and let's have ChatGPT rewrite this. And then I'll save this in a Notion page. Okay, so I need you to write a new bio for this landing page. I want you to mention that I've certified over 300 entrepreneurs, teaching them how to use ChatGPT to grow their business. Plus, I currently have a community of about 126 entrepreneurs that are leveraging the best AI tools to scale their time and automate their business. Plus, I have, I think it's 10 plus years of digital marketing experience. Plus, I've coached over, at least 700 entrepreneurs in both business and digital marketing. Yeah, something like that. So, and then here, and then, but also I want you to align this so that it speaks towards the landing page on here attached. Cool. It is poor for customization unless you use CSS and JS and code to make it better. You shouldn't have to. Like, that's the other thing too, is like, I'm never going to touch the CSS and JavaScript for this, and it's already going to look good on regular and mobile. Like, mobile's already nice and clean. Like, Go High Level looks horrible on mobile, and you got to redo everything. So that's why, I mean, just use whatever tools that you have. It's more important just to like have a webinar funnel. So here, and then we're going to, I don't need this, don't need this. Let's take this and print. And we're going to take a screenshot of this, which is basically this. And we're going to pop that in with ChatGPT to write me a new bio. And we're only using one AI tool, which is so nice. We're only using ChatGPT. It's like, this is all you need. About that, does it need to be that long? A little, remove one paragraph. It's a little too long. Probably should update my LinkedIn profile, but I couldn't care less. Jonathan Acuna is founder of the AI Business Academy, one of the top AI business growth strategists, helping online entrepreneurs systematize and scale smarter without the burnout. With over 10 years digital marketing experience, Jonathan has trained and certified 300 entrepreneurs in ChatGPT and AI tools to simplify content, automate content delivery, and build leverage systems to free up time. He also leads a growth community of 126 entrepreneurs actively using the best AI tools and automation frameworks to work less and earn more and grow businesses that actually run without them. That's our goal. With whether you're stuck just doing everything yourself or ready to go from 5 to 20K months with smart systems, Jonathan proven methods will help you step into the CEO role, build leverage with AI, and scale without the chaos. It's good enough. There's a little tweaks I want to do. Is this is the page? So here, let's take this. Let's do here. Oops, minus about Jonathan Acuna. So I'm a symbol. Gotta add the Enya symbol. I just don't know what the keyboard shortcut is for it, so I just Google it and then copy it when I need it. I should probably remember. I think it's like Alt 164 or something like that. Command, hey, give me the tilde. There's a tilde. Wait, you created an AI person that teaches AI? No, I haven't created an AI person that I teach AI. Did I misspell that somewhere? Let me double check that. So Jonathan Acuna, and 13.7 here. Take this. We'll clean this up. The AI business community. I need to find a better name for that. Sorry, I didn't see it was you. I imagine you're like my AI avatar. Unless I put baby chaos. I should put baby chaos there. Of just like, if you guys haven't seen baby chaos, I just need to like make you go, wait, what? For 5 seconds. Baby chaos. Is there other baby chaos? Oh yeah, baby chaos. This was the first version of baby chaos. This is my AI avatar. Oh, baby John.
have transcended the pinky. I summon from the bottom of fate. Tickle me, and you wake the beast.
And then I could put that on a line paper like, this was made with AI. That trips people out. Erica, good to see you, Erica. Oksana, Sarah, say hi to Erica. Hope all is well. Hope you're having a great day. Let's see here. We are building basically a funnel. Danny's laughing. Have you tried Hedra? Yeah, we tried Hedra, and actually Hedra didn't do that good of a job. Hedra was actually a bit, HeyGen was actually better at matching the lips. Hedra didn't even match the lips properly. So that's where I was like, but it was good to test it out to see, like, because I really wanted to know like what was the difference between them. I think this font is just a little too big. Well, not really. With over 10 years of marriage, Jonathan has trained step into zero. Automate your business and scale without the burnouts. Simple. Okay. Nice. Best video generator you've ever found. Hedra is really good for animating the body, like to make them do movements. Because technically, what they use is they use HeyGen for the lips matching, and then they use Hedra for the animating the body. That's pretty simple. We need to add the button down there. Let's just move this button down here. Duplicate. Okay, cool. I need a hero image. I need a hero. Should I put the VSL? I think I'm just gonna put the VSL here. Can't believe this way. I used it. What do you use for the CRM? The CRM I'm using is ClickUp on the back end. Can't even spell. What do you use for CRM on the back? Yeah, I use ClickUp for the CRM. So for example, like ClickUp's just, I don't know, it's just easy to manage everything because then I get mobile notifications. I can customize it. I can see we have, why? We should have more. Oh, because it's filtered. There we go. I was like, why? Where are all the members? So yeah, we have, I'll just do this. Yeah, we have all the members here, and then also for the churn too. So makes it very, very nice. ClickUp is like the best for the CRM. I gotta move. Actually, I'll do that later. But it's simple. It's just there for tracking, especially for dashboards and reporting. Because I'm going to technically hook this up to ClickUp using, I don't know, probably Zapier or Make.com. I'll try with Make, but I just may go with Zapier just because the simplicity of it. And you get 100 operations for free, which is super nice. Okay, so we need I'm just going to be lazy. Not lazy, but technically I'm like, I don't have a picture per se. I don't think I want to put like some clip art. And I know so HTML, I'm just going to actually just use the VSL from the community, honestly, just to keep it super simple. I know it's heavy video, but I think I have a hypothesis. I think the video will convert better, but we shall see. So I'm going to go here. Oh, wow. The website actually convert more. Cool. So I'm going to go to the community here and just take this VSL right here. Copy and then paste that here. Done. Save. That way they see it's like a real person talking. Okay, I think that is good for V1. So let's take a look. Free training for smart entrepreneurs who want to stop drowning in busy work and start scaling smarter with AI. The six-figure AI engine that helps coaches, freelancers, and solopreneurs work 20 plus hours less and scale to 10 to 20K months using AI without juggling 10 plus tools, hiring a team, or posting on social media 24/7. Danny says, I'm trying to move away from Go High Level. Not worth it for me, but the good old thing that it's all in one. It's an all in one, but it's like, it's just complicated kind of thing. It's nice. It's all in one. It's like if you're comfortable playing with it, because you just spend more time tinkering with it. Are you overwhelmed with AI, feeling behind, still stuck trying to figure out what are the best AI tools and how to make money with them? And you want to automate your business with AI and save over 20 hours a week, even if you're not techie? By joining the AI community, you get the proven roadmap on how to scale your business using AI. We have live events 5 days a week, 10 plus courses on the best AI tools from NAN, Make.com, prompt engineering, even how to automate your content using AI. You also get 24/7 tech support if you have any issues with any of the tools, and you get access that
to
may
free
not
business
work.
mentorship, so you know exactly how to leverage AI in your marketing, sales, and operations. So join over 120 entrepreneurs that are all using AI to grow smarter, faster.
That's not gonna work because I'm talking about the community, but I could record a better VSL tonight. I'm gonna do the VSL anyways, but this is good enough for this page, which I'm happy with this. Why 24/7 support? Because if you ever have challenge with like if like the members know, if you send me a DM within 24 hours, you're gonna get an answer to whatever your roadblock is, text stuff like that. So I've even hopped on calls and helped fix members like Make.com automations, ClickUp automations, Zapier automations. I don't troubleshoot the apps though. I just can't troubleshoot the app because it's like if you join the community, you get that support. If they leave, there's nowhere else they're going to go to get that type of level of support kind of thing. So you want to make the experience so good that if they leave, there's nowhere else that they could go to get that level of attention, basically. So this kind of sets the bar, which is nice. I am happily you not using it. I could be using NAN just takes time to like set up. I'm so much faster with the Zapier. That's why. Okay, so this is good. I'm happy with this. I now need to do I do a pop? I think I'm gonna do a pop-up. Edit the click event. We need to open a pop-up. We're going to create a new pop-up. I don't like pop-ups, but it's going to work. Almost there. Enter your, okay, so this is going to be, what's up, Natalie? We are building a webinar funnel so that I could buy ads, send cold traffic to this webinar funnel, and then pitch and sell a $97 3-day challenge. It may be cheaper than that, but we'll see. $97 3-day challenge, basically, so that I don't have to create content or go live all the time to get leads, basically. So that's essentially what we're trying to do, is build an evergreen webinar funnel that brings people in, nurtures them, and then sells consistently every single week for our businesses. Dan says, also try to sign up on your links, but it ain't doing anything. So that's kind of like what kind of error message you're getting, and then also try it on a different browser, I would say. By completing terms, we're not doing SMS. We hate spam, so we promise to keep your email address safe. That's cool. Let's see. I'll try now. Yeah, definitely try. I mean, definitely want to join the community before I double that price. I am going to double it probably tomorrow. That'll be good. So definitely want to join before I double that thing. This is okay, wait, 6, 4. Almost there. Just enter your. I don't really care about the name. I don't care about the email. Not the email, but just enter your email below so we know where to send the free masterclass. You technically don't tell them that the next page they're going to watch it because you want to send it, but that's okay. It's good enough for now. Get free access now. Good enough. I'm not looking for perfect right now. I just want to get something up and going. Okay, so this is going to be 1.0 AI master class lead. That's going to be very easy to go find. And then here we will just get their email. We're going to send them to a landing page next. So we're going to copy this. And then, nice, let's view. So technically, if we duplicate this, we should get the same pop-up here. And then update. Nice. So in 1 hour, we built one landing page. I got to redo that. I'm just going to put an image right there. The image, do I have a cool image? Actually, I have the roadmap. I could put the roadmap. I would prefer people, but I'll just do this AI business roadmap. There. That looks fancy. I really just want to run traffic to it just to see how well it works. Okay, view page, pop up. Ooh, fancy. And then next one and pop up. Ooh, double fancy. Nice, very nice, very nice. Let's quickly build the webinar page, and then I could do the other stuff later tonight. So, oh man, so many funnels. Okay, so this was the opt-in page, which is now done. Don't need this, don't need this, don't need this. Update, go to lead pages. And here we're going to go to landing page, and I'm just going to copy the same exact thing just to make it easy. Duplicate. Okay, this is going to be 1.0 watch masterclass. Start. Nice. Cool. And now we're going to build, just real quickly, the sales page. Okay, so this is going to be, I just need to edit. It's going to be a one column. And step one, we're going to, step one, watch the master class. Then here, it will likely change everything you know about how to use AI in your business. It will likely change everything you know about how to grow your business online using AI. Cool. Center. Cool. Center. Make this red. This is technically what you hire marketing agencies to do. This is what they should be doing. Okay, here I don't need a button. I don't need anything else down below. Delete. Don't need this part. Delete. Perfect. And I just need a section for the webinar element, which is going to go here. And then we're going to duplicate this, which goes here. Step two is sign up for the 5-day challenge. Yep, sign up. Sign up for the 3-day. Now, what are we calling this thing to? 3-day. What do we call it? 3-day AI business challenge. That's so AI. what they call it? AI Profit System Challenge, AI Profit Launcher, AI Profit Accelerator 3-day challenge. Give me some names, ChatGPT. Give me 10 names for the 3-day AI challenge. Something about AI Profit Accelerator challenge. Actually, that's it. It's kind of funny. Okay, cool. 3-day AI the AI Profit Accelerator challenge. Yeah, that's done. Don't need to get fancy. Because for the AI Profit Challenge, Accelerator Challenge. And then here, it should actually go to a sales page. Yeah, it should actually go to a sales page. So we're gonna add a button here. Sections, button, and then I'll build the sales page for it next. Click here to sign up. Very simple. Step 1, watch the masterclass. Then there's a webinar. Step 2, sign up for the AI Profit Accelerator Challenge. Pretty simple. And that's all that's on this page. So this says, let's scale your business using AI. Here. It's like, I'm ready to join. It's like, yep, this is, because fundamentally we're going to show you also how to build exactly what it's not exactly how to, well, technically is. Like, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to do all the copywriting, give you the templates. And then from here, watch masterclass, watch master class, because I'll need to know that from there. So that's the goal. It's like this thing will run evergreen. I can run ads to it, traffic to it. I don't have to create content. I don't have to do lives. Not that I'll have to, but it's like this will definitely nurture and convert. So you're the coach. Do you have the videos? For the videos, AI Pro Masters, which videos are you referring to? There, that looks very simple. There'll be the whole webinar right here, so that's cool. Okay, last is I'm going to take a break because I'm going to actually watch a webinar, record it, and then convert it into a template, like your trainings. So, the trainings are all recorded. None of this stuff is this stuff isn't in the community yet. Because we've been focusing on content, so this is technically will be eventually going into the digital marketing. So like the templates, how to do funnels. So eventually this will be in there. How can you join? Link in the bio to join. Just go to my profile page and you can sign up to the AI community. For all the members in the community, you're going to get this whole template that you guys could download and start using. And then I'm going to build you a custom GPT that you can use to kind of create this. And then for the members in the community, you're going to get the 3-day challenge for free anyways too. So use LLM notebook to transcribe the word you're right. Absolutely. Yeah. I think that is 100% what I'm going to do is like, because basically just to show you too, because this guy is making a ton of money already. And so he has this webinar. And so I'm going to go through, watch it, study it, because success leaves clues. And so I'm going to study it, record it, study it. I'll post it in the community if you guys want that. I have a bunch of other funnel stuff that would be really good if you guys, I got to put that in there. Really good. If you guys want, let me know. I'll post that. I know Sarah's going to be like, yes, whatever you say. Yes. Add it to the course. Yes, please. Yeah. I'll, cause I have this one and I have a few other really good webinars. They're like master classes. I'll put those in the this basically all this of what I'm doing right now will be the digital marketing course basically. How to create, which is basically to create the funnel system so that you can get leads and sales. Basically, the digital marketing course is fundamentally going to show you how to build this type of system for your business. I'm visual too. Yeah, so this basically from here too. So what we did right now, we did the landing page, and then the second page is going to be a webinar, which we don't see here. And then from the webinar, that we're going to do a sales page for the 3-day challenge. And then that's going to have probably run, ideally, if it works out, the next one is going to run next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for our first challenge. That's going to be fun. So if you're in the community, you're going to get all of this, templates and everything for free as part of the digital marketing course, because that's where I could teach you how to set this up so that you guys aren't, because there's technically 2 funnels. You have your content funnel, which is like link in bio and then click to buy is like a stand store fundamentally. That works great. But then the other side is what this is where you're running ads to it. So this whole funnel system is only for running ad traffic to, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want to like pick your platform. You're sending traffic to this, building the email list, and then from the email list, you're nurturing them with the webinar, and the webinar is going to pitch a 3-day challenge, and then the 3-day challenge just pitches a 6-week program, and then from the 6-week program, then that program, if they want to continue, they can stop there and be done. Or if they want to continue and have more support and continue to grow, then that they can just sign up for the community. So that's like the whole business model. Where basically we have the webinar funnel, we have the 3-day challenge, we have a 6-week program, and then we have our community on the back end. And so eventually all of this part right here will eventually be this part. Technically, this part will be automated. And there's other things you could downsell, upsell, cross-sell, or you could upsell, downsell, cross-sell to increase the average order from it. But the whole goal, just to recap, is basically so I don't have to rely on content. I don't have to rely on live streams. This system, I'm going to spend at least $1,000 minimally starting off on ads. That's just going to funnel cold traffic, new people, targeted. So it's my targeted ideal client, and then they're going to go through this whole funnel. And then if they don't, or if they drop off at any point, they're just going to go and follow my content anyways. And I have a huge library already that they're going to follow. So the content, I'm not worried on. This is so I could get off the content burnout train and then continue to run sales. Because this guy, the healthpreneur guy, he doesn't create content, and he's making like well over 100K a month through his stuff. And this is the whole funnel system. So that's step 1. I'm going to record the webinar, transcribe it, and then build the slides. And so probably later tonight, I think tomorrow I'm going to record it fresh in the morning. Tonight, I just want to prep the system. So I may do the email automation. We'll see what I'm just going to continue building probably tonight too. So I'll be back in an hour and 20 minutes to finish out building. Thank you for following and watching a Build With Me series. This is the same system that you can use for your businesses to get more leads, get more sales on autopilot without having to get burned out of the content game, so that you can have your life back and do what you want with when you want, with whom you want. This is the system that they charge $2,000 to $10,000 for someone to set up this system for businesses. So that's why this system is so powerful. If you're selling coaching, consulting, services, whatever you're selling, this funnel or framework is very, very powerful once you have it set up. And then there's going to be also like a 30, maybe 60-day testing of like testing and optimizing the copy. I'm just trying to get V1 done by launch tomorrow so I can start running ads to it. I already have traffic going to the page anyway, so the traffic, or I'll get leads organically from my content anyways. So I'll have that, and then funneling people into that system. And then later, because out Friday, I'm going to double the price for the community. So the community price will double, but then after that, then I'll have these low ticket offers. They're also fundamentally adding low ticket offers into it. For example, do you still have a 47 to start? No, that was gone. That was a long time ago. We even missed. I think it was last week, the first month for $27 offer too. That was all last week. So that promotion's gone. But just join. I mean, it's a full 30-day money-back guarantee. But you're gonna learn more even in just 1 or 2 sessions than you've heard for months of like trial and error of like AI business coaching and stuff like. Even on it, today's session was a great session for the office hours. Everyone got not only their answers but also super pro tips, and for everyone the office hour sessions recorded and it's uploaded. And then lastly, I think if Circle is not, oh, perfect. So in Circle, it's back up. So the Notion template is there. I'm going to work on also tonight the subscription tracker Notion template. So I'm going to post that in there too. So just dropping value for you guys, and then I can start working. So cool things. Hope you guys have a blessed night. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. If you want to join the AI community, link is in the bio to join. We'd love to have you part of our AI family. So I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Bye. Solid. And for everyone on YouTube, you guys got to see, this is like the road to 1 mil, basically. Because this will take me to 1 mil, ideally past 6 figures easily. Once this system is set up, I'm very, very excited about getting this set up and running. So this is going to be very, very powerful. So if you guys haven't joined, definitely join the AI community. It's an amazing group of people that